Hello everyone, I'm Tahani Ayaran studying in 10th standard in Al Hidayat English Medium School. I hope you all are fit and fine. As we all know, due to the corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers and lack of education. The schools have started online classes. So, you must take advantage of this opportunity. See, there is no elevator to success. We need to take the stairs. The first day of the new session is the day when countdown to the last days of the school begins. Last year we were all at home, secure and safe. And now we are about to kick off a new academic session which is going to start today. This session will be a new chance for us to rebuild what we want. We congratulate all of us for the progress on completing one cycle. Someone said that it's never too late to start moving upwards. And academic session 2021-22 is a new beginning and things will definitely change. Our respected teachers are the most unsung heroes. They don't just teach us, but prepare us for the road. Now, let's invite our Honorable Principal.
Respected Kareem Ustad, Manager, Vice Principal, my beloved co-workers, and dear parents and students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Warm greetings to all of you. By the grace of God, we are on the footsteps of a new academic year 2021-22. We are beginning the classes today. All of us, including parents, expected regular offline classes may be started in this academic year. By the attack of pandemic corona, we are not able to function normal classes in the beginning of this academic year. And so we are forced to depend online classes in this academic year also. My dear children, by using all modern technologies, our teachers will address you and will present you useful classes. So I want you to be careful not to miss any class, and parents should also be a little strict in this matter. Regular monitoring, including periodic tests, will also be conducted, and by attending all classes, I want you to achieve your goal by hard work. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Now, let's invite our Honorable Kareem Ustad.
പുതിയ അധ്യയന വർഷത്തിൻ്റെ 2021-2022 വർഷത്തിലെ അധ്യയനം ഇന്ന് ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. പുതുവർഷത്തിൽ പഠന രംഗത്തേക്ക് ആവേശത്തോടു കൂടി കടന്നു വരുന്ന എല്ലാ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനികൾക്കും രക്ഷിതാക്കൾക്കും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊള്ളുന്നു. സർവശക്തനായ റബ്ബ് സന്തോഷത്തോടു കൂടി ഈ അധ്യയന വർഷം നമ്മളുടെ പഠനരംഗം സജീവമാക്കാൻ എല്ലാവിധ സാഹചര്യങ്ങളും അനുകൂലമാക്കി തരുമാറാവട്ടെ. ആമീൻ. കൊച്ചു വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളൊക്കെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി സർവശക്തനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുക. ഇതാണ് നമുക്കുള്ള ഏകമാർഗം. അതുകൊണ്ട് മുമ്പ് നമ്മളുടെ എല്ലാം ആയ നമ്മളുടെ വളർന്നു വരുന്ന തലമുറ മക്കൾ അവരൊക്കെ ഏറ്റവും സന്തോഷത്തോടു കൂടി വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ രംഗത്ത് മുന്നേറുന്ന ഒരവസ്ഥ, അതിനുള്ള ഒരു സാഹചര്യം അള്ളാഹു സുബ്ഹാനഹു വ തആല നമുക്ക് ഒരുക്കി തരുമാറാവട്ടെ. ആമീൻ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ആശംസകൾ അർപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ചുരുക്കുന്നു. അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും.
Now let's get underway to the program by a welcome song by Aisha Panali.
Assalamu alaikum. Ya hello 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 enni kalbi ela jammatul hayr ela enni kalbi ela jammatul hayr ela ya hello ya hello ya hello ya ela ya hello ya hello ya hello ya ela marhaban wa ya ela fikum entum minna wala fikum marhaban wa ya ela fikum entum minna wala fikum ya hello 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 shukran.
Awesome dear, that's all so cute. Next we have Aisha Anjum from second for a welcome speech.
Good morning everyone. I'm Aisha Anjum. You're welcome to your program. I'm so happy to see you here. I welcome each and everyone present here for joining our program. I heartily welcome our dear teachers for joining our program. I also want to welcome our schoolmates for joining our program. I hope the program will be great and successful. I hope you will enjoy the program. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Anjum. Now we have Aisha Riza for a speech to kick off the new academic session.
Hi, good morning to one and all. I am Aisha Arzake from 6th standard. Today, we all gathered here to welcome all the students into a new academic year of Al Hidayat English Medium School. In such a pandemic, we are suffering a lot, even though we have to continue our studies for the progress of each person as well as the nation. As all of you know, our Kerala is the number one state in India for the literacy and the education. We have to hard work every day to keep such a best result. Friends, come together and grow together. I am welcoming all of you for a better future. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you Aisha Riza. Now why don't we lend our ears to listen a melodious song? We have Fahmina Nujum here for a song.
പുതിയായി മദീന കാണാൻ വിധിയേക അല്ലാഹ് ഹബീബിന്റെ റൗള കാണാൻ കബൂലാക്ക അല്ലാഹ് എനിക്കെന്റെ പുണ്യനൂറിൻ മണ്ണിലെത്തണം തിരക്കില്ല ചേറുള്ള സവത് ചെന്ന് മുത്തണം നിലാവിന്റെ നീരാട്ട് ആ മണ്ണിലാണ് നിഴൽ നാളെ അങ്ങോട്ട് അയക്കില്ല താന് യാ മൗലാ മൗലാ യാ മൗലാ 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 മനസ്സും ശിരസ്സും താഴ്ത്തി വവാഫൊന്നു ചെയ്യുവാൻ തപസ്സിന്റെ വഴി മാറേണം ഈമാനെ പുൽകുവാൻ ജ്വലിച്ചു മക്ക ദിനച്ചൊരിക്കാൻ സ്തുതിച്ചു നാഥാ വിധിച്ചതേതാ നമിച്ചതോ നിന്നെ മാത്രം തനിച്ചാണ് നിന്നിൽ സൂത്രം വിളിച്ചതന്നൂറിൻ ചിത്രം തുടിച്ചതിനായി നേത്രം വിളിച്ചു ഞാൻ നിന്നെ മാത്രം വിളിച്ചു ഞാൻ നിന്നെ മാത്രം കൊതിയായി മദീന കാണാൻ വിധിയേക അല്ലാഹ്
കബൂലാക്കല്ല. വിളിക്കുന്ന മുമ്പേ മൗത്ത് മദീനയിൽ ചൊല്ലണം. മഹ്ശറ എന്നെ കാത്ത് കിടക്കുന്നതോർക്കണം. വിധിച്ചതൊക്കെ തുടച്ചു നീക്കി പടച്ച റബ്ബേ പിടച്ചു കൽബ്. നമിച്ചതോ നിന്നെ മാത്രം, തനിച്ചാണ് നിന്നിൽ സൂത്രം. വിളിച്ചതന്നൂറിൻ ചിത്രം, തുടിച്ചതിനായി നേത്രം. വിളിച്ചു ഞാൻ നിന്നെ മാത്രം, വിളിച്ചു ഞാൻ നിന്നെ മാത്രം. കൊതിയായി മദീന കാണാൻ വിധിയേക അല്ലാഹ്. ഹബീബിന്റെ റൗള കാണാൻ കബൂലാക്ക അല്ലാഹ്. എനിക്കെന്റെ പുണ്യനൂറിനും മണ്ണിലെത്തണം. തിരക്കില്ല ചേരുള്ള റസബത് ചെന്ന് മുത്തണം. നിലാവിന്റെ നീരാട്ട് ആ മണ്ണിലാണ്.
Thanks Nujum, that was awesome. Next we have Rana Khadija from 4th for a speech.
Distinguished principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. I am Rana Khadija. So dears, a warm welcome to Al Hidayah English Medium School. It's really a great day for all of us. This is our long awaited day. I hope you all are good, happy and healthy. I'm sure you all are eagerly waiting for this day. The fact that all of us love coming to school is not surprising. Catching up with your friends, meeting your favorite teachers are just a couple of reasons we cannot avoid coming back to school. But we all know that we are facing a very dangerous pandemic, that is the COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected almost all the fields including education. So dears, this time too shall pass. One day everything will be alright. So let's start our new year at school with hopes and dreams. We will do our best to achieve what we call dreams. A good beginning make a big difference. So always keep your beginning on focus. I'm concluding my words. My best wishes to the new academic year. Start wish, new day, new beginning, new hopes, new start. So dears, once again, a warm welcome to Al Hidayah English Medium School. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Now let's invite Fatima Nidla Rahman from 8th for a speech about a topic, how to be successful in life.
Hello everyone, I'm Fatima Nidila, studying in 8th. Here I'm going to tell you about how to be successful in life. Some people spend their entire lives wondering how to be successful in life, but never figure it out. Would you be surprised to find out that the secret really comes down to 4 key areas? Well, it does. You see, personal success is achievable for anyone who practices the 4 areas, or keys to success as I call them. Everyone wants personal success and to learn the keys to success. Everyone wants to have a happy, healthy life, do meaningful work, enjoy a career, and achieve financial independence. Everyone wants to make a difference in the world, to be significant, to have a positive impact on those around him or her. Everyone wants to do something wonderful with his or her life. Over and over, it's found that the keys to success are a single piece of information, a single idea at the right time that can change your life at the right situation. And also learn that the great truths are simple. If you can follow these tips, you will be able to change your life and achieve your goals. We all have one common goal. Luckily, for most of us, personal success is not a matter of background, intelligence, or native ability. It's not our family, friends, or contacts who enable us to do extraordinary things. Instead, the keys to success in life are our ability to get the very best out of ourselves under almost all conditions and circumstances. It is your ability to adapt and change your life. You have within you, right now, deep reserves of potential and ability that, if properly harnessed and channeled, will enable you to accomplish extraordinary things with your life. The 4 keys to success. The great keys to success to change your life have always been the same. First, decide exactly what you want and where you want to go. Second, set a deadline and make a plan to get there. Remember, a goal is just a dream with a deadline. Third, take action on your plan. Do something every day to move towards your goal. 4. Resolve in advance that you will persist until you succeed, that you will never ever give up. Hope it will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks, Midla. And next we have Adityan from 10th for a speech about nutritional health.
Good morning. It's my pleasure to be in front of you to present a small speech about nutrition and health. The World Health Organization defined health as a complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity. Nutrition as the input to the foundation for good health and function. Nutrition is the most important factor in maintaining and keeping good health. Nutrition begins with food and includes everything that the body needs in order to live, that is function and grow. Healthy eating is also an important part of personal well-being as it drastically improves physical fitness, allow one to feel better and does wonders to personal health. Nutrition is include wholesome and balanced food from whole food group, which are poultry group, grain and pulses group, vegetable and food group, etc. Better nutrition means stronger immune system, less illness and to feel better. So let food be our medicine, not let medicine become our food. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now let's invite Hanfa Salam from 3rd for a short story.
മാണി സദസ്സിന് വന്ദനം. ഞാൻ പറയാൻ പോകുന്ന കഥയുടെ പേരാണ് സുന്ദരി പശു മാൻകുട്ടിയും. പണ്ട് പണ്ട് ഒരു ഗ്രാമത്തിൽ അപ്പു എന്നൊരു കുട്ടി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അവൻക്കൊരു പശുവുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സുന്ദരി എന്നായിരുന്നു അവളുടെ പേര്. അപ്പു എന്നും രാവിലെ സുന്ദരിയെയും കൂട്ടി പുല്ലുമേയാൻ കൊണ്ടുപോകുമായിരുന്നു. ഒരു ദിവസം സുന്ദരി പുല്ലുമേയുന്നതിനിടയിൽ ഒരു മാൻകുട്ടിയെ കണ്ടു. പല പ്രാവശ്യം കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അവർ കൂട്ടുകാരായി മാറി. ഒരു ദിവസം മാൻകുട്ടി ചോദിച്ചു, സുന്ദരി സുന്ദരി, നീ എന്റെ കൂടെ കാട്ടിലോട്ട് പോരുന്നോ? അവിടെ ധാരാളം പഴങ്ങളും കുറേ പുല്ലുകളും പൂക്കളും ഉണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. പല പ്രാവശ്യം വിളിച്ചപ്പോൾ സുന്ദരി അതിനുള്ള തയ്യാറായി. അവിടെ എത്തിയപ്പോൾ സുന്ദരി പറഞ്ഞു, ഹായ് ഹായ്, കാടിന് എന്തൊരു ഭംഗി. അങ്ങനെ സുന്ദരി അവിടെ കളിച്ചും രസിച്ചും നടക്കുമ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഒരു ശബ്ദം കേട്ടു. സുന്ദരി പേടിച്ചു പോയി. മൃഗങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഓടാൻ തുടങ്ങി. കൂട്ടത്തിൽ മാൻകുട്ടിയും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓട്ടത്തിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ മാൻകുട്ടി വിളിച്ചു പറഞ്ഞു, സുന്ദരി സുന്ദരി, ഓടിക്കോ, കാട്ടിലെ രാജാവ് സിംഹം വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സുന്ദരി പേടിച്ചു ഓടി. ഓട്ടത്തിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ സുന്ദരി ചോദിച്ചു, മാൻകുട്ടി മാൻകുട്ടി, നീ എന്താ കാട്ടിലെ ഭംഗിയെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അപകടത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചൊന്നും പറഞ്ഞില്ലല്ലോ? അതും പറഞ്ഞ് സുന്ദരി വീട്ടിലോട്ട് മടങ്ങി. പാവം അപ്പു സുന്ദരിയും കാത്ത് വീട്ടുപടിക്കൽ നിൽക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. സുന്ദരി കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അപ്പുവിന് നല്ല സന്തോഷമായി. കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഈ കഥയിൽ നിന്നും നാം മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത് പരിചയമില്ലാത്ത കൂട്ടുകാരെ പെട്ടെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കരുത്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Now let's see a wonderful dance by Aisha Hadun.
Tandane, tagandane, tandane, tane,
standing. Now we have Adi from 4th for a speech.
Good morning, all of you. I am Adi from 4th standard. Today, I have the golden opportunity to welcome you all on behalf of our school, Al Hidayat English Medium. I hope you all are staying happy and healthy. As you know, we are fighting with Corona pandemic. We are getting ready for a smooth chat. During this Corona pandemic, very difficult time on the lockdown all over the world, we can study only through the online classes. So the internet is the most useful technology in the modern times. It helps not only in our daily life but also in our education. Online class improves the quality of education. Friends, we are very lucky to get this much dedicated and hardworking teachers. That we are continuously supporting us in our learning. Now I am thanking our honorable teachers and principal for their great effort in the last year. May you all make the best of the coming year with hard work and patience. So, friends, once again I am welcome all of you to the very new academic year through online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Thank you. Now we have a cute guy here for a little speech. So now let's invite Aizin from KG section.
Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers, parents, my dear friends, good morning to all. I am Ivan from UKGA. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This year, large number of students joined us. I welcome all newcomers, my dear friends, seniors, to Al Hidayat family. Thank you all of you.
That's so adorable, Aizin. Now we have a short speech on the topic humanity by Tashfa from 9th.
Good afternoon, everyone. To your principal, vice principal, respected teachers, parents, and every of the dearest friends over there. How are you? I'm with me, Tashwa, and I hope you had nice days, and I wish you great days ahead. Yeah, finally, with Allah's grace, we are going to start our new academic year. And of course, it's an online, and we all are hoping for the best, and it will all come soon. So I'm happy that I got a chance to speak, and I'm not as a speech, but as a reminder, I would like to tell you something about humanity. Yeah, before starting, I would like to tell you a story. Once, a man was walking through a road. He saw just a note or a notice on an electric pole. With curiosity, he just walked near to it. And the notice was like this: I'm an old poor lady. I just lost 50 rupees when I was walking through this road. If anyone saw that, please let me get in this address. I have very bad eyesight, so I can barely see. So please help. This was that notice. When he saw that, he just took 50 rupees and walked through that address. When he reached there, he saw a very old heart with a very much older lady standing there. He just saw her, and when the lady heard the footsteps, she asked, "Who is it?" The man told about her, about the notice, and he saw and 50 rupees on the road. And when the old lady heard that, she wiped her tears and said, "Dear sir, over 30 to 40 people come here and gave me 50 rupees, and they say that they got it from the road and they saw that notice. But trust me, sir, I didn't wrote that. I can't see, and I had no talent of reading or writing. And how could I?" But the man calmly said, "Okay, ma'am, but please keep this 50 rupees and just fulfill your needs." And when she was returning, the old lady stopped him and said, "Please tear off that notice from the electric pole." He just walked back. thinking about the person who just wrote that, and he just smiled and also think that certainly the old lady must have every of the 30 to 40 people to tear that notice and no one did. Yeah, he just personally thanked that person who wrote that and just thought to himself, oh, if anyone want to help someone and want to make an attempt, there will be many people to join and make a change to make a big positive difference. When the man was walking back, his joy and the positive energy just raised. Another man stopped him and asked, where is this address that he need to give this 50 rupees to that old lady that he got from the road? He just smiled. There ends the story. Yeah, guys, the humanity is the best religion that we can understand from this story. When the man just stored the notice on the electric pole, over 30 to 40 people saw that and came there to give that old lady 50 rupees. So that we can surely say, if we just make a will, there is always a way. And let us all know that, and let's share every bit of our happiness, every bit of our things to everyone, and let the humanity be the ruling force. I just wish you all a great day, great life, and let's all together just be battle and just be a chain. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Tashfa. Next, we have Fatima Leba from 3rd C for a speech.
Good morning to all of you. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. I am so excited to meet you all on school opening virtually. We are going to have a fabulous school year full of fun and learning. I welcome you all to the online classes on behalf of Al Hidayat English Medium School. But right now, we are going to start our study through online classes, as it is not allowed to go school due to corona pandemic. Welcome you all again, and let's learn so many new and exciting things together. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum friends. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. I wake up every morning, say God is the unique. I'm hungry to wash my hands, ready for saying Bismillah, 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. When I'm ready for lunch, don't forget to say thanks to those who found me well. Then before say Bismillah, 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Good morning to all present here, and welcome back to Hidayat English Medium School. It's a great day for all of us that we have gathered in the morning assembly after a long time. We all know that due to the spread of coronavirus pandemic, we have decided to move all our teachings and learnings to online. It's clear that we have to follow the same method this year too. For that, our teachers are struggling a lot to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. Once again, I must welcome our respected principal, vice principal, teachers and students on this special day. Thank you. We shall overcome, We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Now let's wrap up the session. Thank you.